Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching Bluestacks and loading the app. If you're ready, open the Game Controls editor immediately to avoid wasted clicks. Once the editor is open, make sure to switch on the Advanced editor so you can create accurate mappings rather than relying on defaults. Next, pick the correct game profile or create a new one and lock the window in place. That prevents controls from shifting while you map keys. This step gets you into mapping mode and prepares everything for precise assignments. Now you map keys. Drag the tap, D-pad, or swipe widgets onto the corresponding on-screen elements and assign keyboard keys that feel intuitive to you. While placing widgets, adjust size and opacity so they don't block visuals, and use multi-key combos for complex inputs. This reduces finger travel and improves reaction time. If needed, create a macro for repeated sequences and set hold durations for charged actions. Once mapped, test repeatedly in short loops to catch misaligned or overlapping. Complete the setup by saving your profile and exporting it if you want the same layout elsewhere. This preserves your work and speeds future installs. Then run a live test session. Play for a few minutes, adjust sensitivity and dead zones, and resolve any key conflicts you notice. If something breaks, try a quick restart of Bluestacks, reassign the problematic key, or reset the control profile to default and reapply only necessary changes. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most mapping hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.